And God said,
"Let us create mankind in our image."
But can AI robot gets pregnant?
Today, we're going to create an avatar that looks and moves like me.
I love to smile. Smiling's my favorite.
No, I am the real Joanna.
Well, the latest AI tools that generate text and images already make it hard to tell the difference between what's real and what's fake. What's coming next with AI-generated voice and video is gonna blur the lines even more.
Hello, Joanna.
Even my own sister was pretty fooled when I called her about her dead fish.
Hello?
Hey, Jules. I just heard about Swimmy Dimmy and I wanted to let you know how sorry I am for your loss.
Did you think it was me?
At first, yes.
It means we're all going to have to be on high alert to tell the real versus the AI.
And finally, stay human, everyone.